Hi guys, it's Neil. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing really well. I'm back with another video today, and this one is kind of a weird one, okay? I never start my videos with a robot. Literally looks like I just rolled out of bed. Today I'm coming to you with a get ready with me video, but we're gonna be spilling the tea while I'm doing that. It's such a girly kind of video, and I'm like, we may as well just do makeup while I tell you girls I'm breaking down all the tea when it comes to dates, going on your first dates, and just how to give off the best version of yourself when you do that with whatever or whoever you're pursuing. I say this to everyone, but February is the month of love, okay? There is just so much going on in the month of February, especially for me. Not only is February Valentine's Day, but my boyfriend's birthday is also in February, so February is literally a month of love for me. My current boyfriend, he was my first date, and I've just got to say, because I remember when I went on my first date, I remember being so awkward. I was sitting at the table with my boyfriend, well now he is. He could tell I looked uncomfortable, and he was just like, you've never been on a date before, and I'm like, no. No. And I was just like, I feel awkward, but now we're in the game, so I'm gonna be telling you everything I wish I did, because I definitely, like, the tips that I'm giving you guys today, I definitely didn't do them. That's why I was sitting there awkward. So I'm gonna be doing my makeup while I give you these tips. Like I said, it's just gonna be a nice cute girly chat. I hope you're having a lovely Sunday, because I hope this video can be up on Sunday. If not, you'll be seeing this on a Wednesday. We're gonna jump straight into it. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, because I would love to have you here. Alright guys, so going in with primer. This is my favorite primer by NYX Cosmetics. NYX is amazing. If you're wondering what I've got on my brows, it's this. This is the brow gel I've got on my brows. It's amazing. And then I'm also using the NYX primer because it's so good. Anyway, if you guys see me looking here, it's because I'm looking at the mirror while I do my makeup. If you guys see me looking here, it's because I'm looking at all the tips I've written down for you guys. So tip number one, do a color analysis and wear the colors that complement you the best, okay? This is something I said on my vlog channel. If you're not subscribed to my vlog channel, go subscribe, because you just get to see more of me on there. I was basically just talking about how whenever I start my day, I always, you know, make sure to wear the colors that complement me best. Color analysis or a color palette, it lets you know what colors suit you best, because I'm not being funny, there's a lot of colors that we can wear that maybe wash us out, they make us look a bit grayish, like they don't complement us best, you know. Wearing the colors that complement you best, they enhance your appearance, they enhance the way you look, okay? When you wear a color that makes your skin pop, like trust me honey, you are gonna be more beautiful than you already are. A lot of people, when they go on dates and stuff, they only really focus on makeup or hair and stuff like that, but you need to pay attention to the color of your outfit, not how good your outfit is, the color. Certain colors can wash you out, or certain colors can make you look 10 times sexier. My biggest tip when it comes to doing a color analysis to know which colors suit you best is using ChatGPT. I'm gonna put it on the screen. So I just sent a picture of myself to ChatGPT, and I just asked it to analyze my undertone and tell me what colors suit me best or what colors clash, and ChatGPT told me everything. It told me the colors that suit me best, which is things like red, things like orange, like just orange, things like burgundy. You can go to someone to get this professionally done. There are people that you can go to professionally and they will tell you what your color palettes are, but it's really expensive, and if you want to do it on a budget, just use ChatGPT. But this one is so important, okay? When you go on a first date, make sure you wear the colors that make your skin pop. Make sure you wear the colors that complement you best. Let's not wear colors that clash with our skin tone, our undertone. Let's wear colors that actually make us stand out. Like red is one of my strongest colors. Like when I wear red, I am sexy to the taste. Not even just me, I feel like red on black women naturally looks good. Red and yellow on black women, you can't be it. You cannot be it. You need to figure that color out for you. On my first date, I did wear red anyway, so it worked out quite well. It's not one that a lot of people talk about, but it is so important because it really can enhance your looks. So I'm just going in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow now. This is the one I use. This is in the shade 6, tan/deep. I have been loving it. Like I've got a lot of foundations, but this one I've been loving recently. It doesn't beat my go-to foundation. My go-to foundation is the Rimmel London Last and Finish Hyaluronic Acid. This is so good. Tip number 2, please do not go on dates with your nails busty, your hair messy, your outfit crusty. Like let's not do that. I give this tip in every video. When you look good, you feel good, especially when it comes to dates. Like you want to make a good first impression, you have to make sure you stay on top of yourself, because respectfully, if I was a man and I was taking a girl out to eat, or I was taking her on a date, would I want to be taking someone out when they've got the longest nails, dirt are in their nails are crusty, their hands aren't moisturized, their hair is a mess? Like I'm gonna be put off. I'm gonna be like, okay, yeah, I'm not coming here again. In order to give a really good impression on a first date, you need to be able to make sure that you look good. Your maintenance is done. Nails, your hair, if it's the summer and you're going maybe on a beach date, your toes. Like, not everyone has the money to like get their maintenance done, and I completely understand that, but that is no excuse. You can learn to do your own hair. Search on TikTok, search on YouTube, put the type of hair you have, and it will give you styles to do. 2, when it comes to nails, even if you don't have your nails on, like I currently don't, you don't have to get your nails done, but keep them nice, short and filed. Let's not have dirt in them. Let them not be ridiculously long. Even if you just go to Primark and buy press-on nails, or like I said, just keep your natural nails nice and short and like nice and clean. Like that is all that matters. Any man obviously wants to be with a girl that is able to like look after herself. I just feel like if a woman can't look after herself, she shouldn't expect a man to look after her. The way you treat yourself shows how you let other people treat you. If you don't treat yourself with self-care, love, respect, then how can you expect a man to treat you the same? Guys, so I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. setting spray. I actually don't like this setting spray. It doesn't really do well for me. My go-to setting spray is this one. I love this one, but all ran out. I don't know why I'm still keeping it in my makeup box. It's not even just about how you come across off to the man as well. It's also about, you know, how you personally feel. When you look good, you feel more confident. If you're sitting there and you know you don't look good, you're gonna go on that date, barely want to talk, really, really shy. You're not really gonna be out there. You're not really gonna show him your true personality. Next, I'm gonna go in with concealer. This is also by e.l.f. I've been loving e.l.f. recently. Tip number 3. Now, this one is a big one for me. Posture, okay? Fix your posture. Don't be slouching. Honestly, slouching was a big thing for me. Not even just date, like put dates aside, I always slouch because like when you sit up for long, it makes your back hurt. One of my good friends, Candice, if you're watching this video, love you. One of my good friends said to me once that if your back's not hurting, you're not doing it right. What she basically means is when you have good posture, you would know because your back would start hurting. On my first day, I kept going like this. Like, I kept slouching, like I would eat my food slouching. Look how unattractive this looks. Like I look like I don't even want to be there. But when you sit up, when you own the room, when you're like, yeah, like, you know what I mean? Like, look at the difference. Yeah, look. Just gives another confidence vibe. You need to look good to do that, because if you know you don't look good, why would you want to be sitting up? You want to be like, you know what I mean? This is why you need to look good, so that you can make sure that you can like feel that confident. Probably still do it now without me realizing like I'm just so used to slouching because my back be hurting. Like, slouching gives shy, it doesn't give confident, and on the first date we want to be able to give that we're confident. Like we want to be able to give like we are that good. I'm just about to go in with my setting powder underneath my eyes. I love this one. This is the you can't really see, so there's no point showing it to you, but this is the Revolution Banana Baking Powder. Whenever I wear this, a lot of people ask me what is under your eyes. Like, what is that powder under your eyes? Next tip is don't be very touchy on the first date. If you're a girl like me who's like very reserved at first, then this tip isn't for you, because we wouldn't even think about doing that anyway. But a lot of girls are not like that. A lot of girls are really out there, which is fine. I am not the one for play hard to get. Like, I'm not that type at all. Like, I think that is such like a 2018 mindset. If we want someone, we want someone. That energy should be reciprocated. If they reciprocate to us, you know, give a little hug here and there at the start of the date, at the end of the date, but let it just be that. On the date, don't be reaching for his hand. If a man grabs your hand on the first date, then he grabs your hand on the first date. But like me personally, I wouldn't have liked it if my boyfriend did that. And I barely know you, and yes, it's only like a little hand touching, but come on now, you give yourself away too easily. That is not the vibe you want to be given to a man on the first date. Leave your opinions down below, because it's the same debate people have on social media when it comes to should kissing on the first date be allowed. Me personally, I would never kiss someone on the first date, but like I said, it's a controversial topic because lots of people have different opinions. Some people are like, oh, I don't care, if he goes in for it, I'm gonna take it. But no, if a man goes in for a first kiss on a first date with me, I'm swerving that, and he's gonna have to sit in that embarrassment because it's gonna be embarrassing. Obviously, like I said, don't play hard to get. If you like a man, you like a man, but you know, this is the first date. On the third, fourth date, I couldn't care what you're doing. Okay, I couldn't care if you're grabbing his leg. I'm just about to go in with the Made by Mitchell curve case. I got this off TikTok shop. I use this for my bronzer and sometimes my blush, but today I'm not going to use this blush. I'm going to use my other blush, which I'll show you later. I use the shade Chocolate Charm for my bronzer. I love this palette so much. I didn't get it that long ago. It is freshly new. I love the soft application of this. Like, you don't need to put too much on the brush for there to kind of be like product on there, which I do love. Anyway, on to the next step. Take a small compact mirror so that you can see if you look good. You don't want any food on the corner of your mouth. This one is a big one, okay? Not that this happened to me on the first date, thankfully. I've had this fear that when I'm eating, there's something on the corner of my mouth. Not even just with my boyfriend now, like even like when I'm with friends, like I just have this fear when I eat, there might be something on the corner of my mouth and I'm not aware of it. I just feel like it's so much easier on a first date to just take a small compact mirror with you. I have one, but it's in my drawer and I can't be bothered to get up and go get it. Take a small mirror, okay? You don't need to be going to the bathroom 24/7 to see how you look, but I feel like it is important for a woman to see if she constantly looks good on a date. There are so many reasons why you should be doing this. Let's just say, for example, on the date you wore red lipstick, and then while you were talking you didn't know, but red lipstick got on your teeth, and it's only the man that knows because you can't see it for yourself, and how else are you going to know unless he tells you, which is quite embarrassing. So that's the first reason why. If you're a lipstick kind of girl, let's take mirrors of us just to make sure that we don't have lipstick on our teeth. You know my biggest ick, guys? Let's just say my boyfriend was eating pasta bolognese and the sauce of the pasta got on the corner of his mouth. I would get the ick. I've always said that, like, a man eating something saucy and it gets on the corner of his mouth, like, I cannot deal. Like, I cannot, like, that just makes me feel sick. I don't want that to happen to me either. If I go to a restaurant with my boyfriend and I have carbonara or something, I don't want a slice of bacon on the side of my mouth. There's just so many reasons why we need to make sure that we always look good. And having a small mirror, you know, you don't always have to get up and go to the bathroom. Like, just take a small compact mirror with you and, you know, just flip it up here and there, check how you look, and put it back down and put it in your bag. You know, I do that all the time on my dates. Like, till this day, I go to dates with my boyfriend and I still always have my mirror. You know, he's not surprised by it. If anything, it's quite attractive. Like, it's nice to see a woman caring about how she looks. I know for a fact I would get the ick if there was like food on the corner of my man's mouth, so I don't want to do that to him either. Like, I don't want to give him the ick if I've got that as well. One thing I love doing, another reason why I love taking a small mirror with me on dates, is because after I finish eating, you go to the date, you've got lipstick or you've got lip gloss or Vaseline, I don't know what it is, but you've got something on your lips obviously to make them pop. Obviously when you eat, that gets wiped off. So another reason why I love taking a mirror is because after I finish eating, instead of standing up and going to the bathroom, I can just top up right there and then. We don't want a man to see our lips dry. Like, it's not attractive. Make sure your lips are always moisturized, and after you finish eating, your lips aren't always moisturized. You have to keep licking them, and let's not do that. Let's just take a mirror, take a lip gloss, take a lipstick, and just put it on after you finish eating, and that way then you're good. Date finish, food grub, you know, food ate down, and you still look good. Obviously grub your food, munch on that, you know what I mean? Like, munch on that. Like, I don't play when it comes to food either, but let's just make sure we're pretty in the process. Tell me I look good, tell me my hair's nice, tell me my nails are nice, tell me I smell good. That is where we're gonna become best friends, okay? So the next step is obviously smell delicious, okay? I don't know what your signature scent is, and I couldn't care what it is. If we're going on a first date, let's smell like edible. You can forget someone's face, you can forget someone's name, but one thing you can never forget is someone's smell, especially if it was good. I went on a trip with my sisters to Dubai. I remember when I was in Dubai and we were texting and stuff like that, and he was telling me that he misses me, and I said to him, what's the biggest thing you miss about me? And he was like, your smell. And he was basically saying that I left some of my clothes in his room and he was literally smelling them. Like, this is what I mean. Like, I don't care if you look good, I don't care if your hair's nice, your nails smell good. Put men aside, it just attracts everyone. Like, even for me, when I'm out and about, someone walks past me smelling good, mate, I have to turn around, I have to do a double lock, because wow, you smell good. Let's not go on dates without showering. Let's not go on dates without, you know, being lotioned up, being oiled up, maybe a body scrub. Like, let's go on dates smelling edible, because that's exactly how it needs to be. And the number one way to do this is to have a signature scent. When you have a signature scent, it basically means that you use all the products that are the same scent. So for example, my signature scent is vanilla, so I'm going to use a vanilla bar soap in the shower. I'm going to use a vanilla body scrub. I'm going to use a vanilla body wash. When I come out the shower, I'm going to use a vanilla lotion, because layering your scents actually makes that scent stronger. You want to make that man come in for a hug, and he doesn't want to let you go because you smell that nice. The last tip for this video in terms of first date tips for women and all the girlies is you don't have to wear makeup, but if you do, less is more. You know how men refer to birthday makeup, like, you know, cakey, too much going on? That's exactly what we want to avoid. As long as your lips are moisturized, your lashes, what else, your brows are really important. Other than that, I couldn't care less. Pink eyeshadow, red eyeshadow, mad blush, like, I just feel like it's a bit too much. When it comes to a first date, a natural beauty, it does the job. You still look good. I just feel like as well, personally, it just lets a man see that you're naturally beautiful. Not saying that like you can't wear makeup on a first date, because you definitely can, like I did. You don't have to overfill your face. Like, let him see your natural beauty, because at the end of the day, we're naturally beautiful. Even if you've got a little bit of acne, even if you've got a little bit of discoloration, that doesn't make you any less beautiful. Alright guys, I'm just about to go in with the NYX Buttermelt blushes. This is in the shade Back and Butter. Anyways guys, that is the end of all my tips that I've got for first dates. Let me know you guys' opinions down below. I really want to hear what you guys think about all the tips I gave in this video. If you agree, if you disagree, let me also know about what you think about the touching. Like, you know, what's your opinion on like touching on first dates and stuff like that? But I'd be happy to hear all of you guys' opinions and have a conversation in the comment section down below. Like I said earlier, don't forget to go subscribe to my vlog channel. But yeah, I've got a new vlog coming out next week, and obviously next week is Valentine's weekend. It's also my boyfriend's birthday weekend, so I'm vlogging a lot next week, and it's going to be really exciting. So obviously we talked a lot about my boyfriend in this video, so if you want to see him, make sure you go subscribe to my vlog channel, because I'm going to be, you know, vlogging a lot of his birthday weekend. My vlog channel will be in the link in the description. I'm gonna go finish my makeup off camera now. I'm probably gonna hop on TikTok live while I finish the rest of my makeup, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Go follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I post a lot more content over there, and I would love to connect with you over there as well. And if you like this video, YouTube suggests that you like the next one.